So, if you happen to have a Ford Expedition 2000, I don't know, in 96, 97, 98, 99, whenever they started coming out with these, and you have a problem with your switch panel popping out, I found, instead of trying to find this whole piece, which the bottom clip always breaks, the easiest thing I found to do is go to like your Lowe's or auto body jobber places that sell these little push-in clips. This is just for reference. I found some slightly smaller ones than these at Lowe's of all places, and it was $2-3 for the bag of two. Drill a smaller diameter hole in the panel and a little bit bigger hole than the ribs for this push pin. I just drilled a hole here and a hole here, push it in, and that panel stays in. It's not quite a perfect match, but if you're really particular, you could always take and get your SEM upholstery paint and paint those to match. But you know, it's a 20-year-old Ford Expedition, so anyways, just a short little video. Hopefully that helps you guys. Have a good one.